If you want to succeed in this life, you gotta make your own opportunities. You can't just sit there and wait for people to give you that golden dream. You've got to get out there and make it happen for yourself.
I'm gonna sing in my class.
Your thing is like
Miss my dog died.
Yeah, I want it.
You might take a go on restaurant.
KFC?
Juicy. You know about it?
Yes. I guess.
Anyways, you know, set up the link with me, father.
As I told you before, he's married to my mother.
Yeah, that never told me before, goodie. Just give me him number. Yeah? See you at my class.
Yes, miss.
Alright,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
Take care. Jesus, only that feel if I'm gonna take on out the juicy out. Juicy.
I don't know. Ask John or you.
Rickle, why you don't think about it yourself? I never see a KFC last time with your bag man them. So you will know about that.
No there, but you seem to know how the system work though.
I know the system work because I watch you do it.
Why you watching me?
Because
no,
don't
watch me, you watch yourself.
Listen to me, Rickle. You're not that important. But just
clearly
did a
you
pass
keep
KFC
doing
and
what?
I smelled
Sleep.
something forward. And
What?
I turned and said,
Oh,
what
it might
is
be
that?
below your nose,
And then
no,
I
the closest
saw
thing
you
to your
and I
nasal
said,
cavity.
oh, so that's it. I'm going to say with you, like what, 10 man? 10 man one time, Rickle, and a KFC you make them take you? One of them
Shut up! You guys interested in joining the Peace Corps?
And me alone, I wonder where the youth come from.
What name, sir?
You know, it's just a group of energetic, optimistic youths that just want to help persons.
Okay.
Me not interested. You really should try it, you know, it makes you feel a whole lot better about your life and it's really good. It just helps persons that are in need.
Anthony help people in a need. All Anthony help is himself.
So Shauna, that isn't... Alright, for real, argument. Me not care about people. People. So you're not interested? Dog, you still there? Oh, but you also get to travel around the world. What? Where just said that? You get to travel. Did he just say traveling? Of course, travel. You get to Dubai. Yo! How long? Always you want to go Dubai, you know? Yeah, of course. Just submit a 3-minute video. A 3-minute video, sir? Just say why you want to join the Peace Corps, why you want to help persons. Alright. And then you're good. This sound good, man. Yeah. Alright, bless up yourself, my boss. Alright, respect. I'm looking forward to see the video, alright? Yeah, man, thanks. Yo, you hear that? Traveling, free airfare, Dubai.
Just one problem.
You don't like it, nobody but yourself.
The girl tells truth.
Yeah, but them not for know that. Welcome, members of the Peace Corps. My name is Anthony Tracey, and today... Cut! What happened? So Shauna, you're just a chooser, you just annoy me, it bother me.
Are you serious?
Stop the chewing, I can't focus. Alright, let's do this again. Count me off now.
3, 2, 1.
Well, good day, members of the Peace Corps. My name is Anthony Tracey.
While I was trying to get my video done, Jade was telling Raquel about her man problem.
Men. And it wasn't even the first time. It's the fifth time. No, sir. And last night was the only time him owned up to it. The other 4, he said was accidents.
Oh, cause he accidentally slipped and penetrated the vagina 4 times?
Yeah, apparently.
No, man, I get it. Why are you with this guy?
It's because him have a nudes. You know sound allowed, right?
No, man, the dad.
I may have watched a certain amount of explicit photos of myself, and I know he's an ass, and if I leave him, he will post it.
No, seriously, no. WhatsApp, Snapchat, baby, but not WhatsApp.
Snapchat me that.
We need to find a way to deal with this, because this can't go on.
You know what? You break up with me today. Because guess what? We're looking at nudes, I'm going to delete them off your phone.
Oh, you're looking
I have my ways.
This should be interesting.
Yeah, Anthony is a really industrious guy. He is a helpful person. There was this one day he helped a grandma on the street. She was having a problem crossing the road, and you know what Anthony did? Good Anthony here. Such a good guy. Yeah, he helped her across the street with her walker. And I found that to be such a great gesture. And you don't really find a lot of people doing that nowadays, you know. So to find somebody out there able to show such kindness, genuinely, as a matter of fact, it's really something you should hold on to. And he would be a great candidate.
Oh, such a kind word. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much, Raquel.
You know what? You just say it all, Anthony. You do it all. Hey!
Hey.
Yeah, my phone's giving problems. Can you go to the station if I really important call?
Oh, okay, sure, no problem.
So yeah, I need to go to the bathroom because I'm gonna run out some girls do. So we are good.
Okay.
I cannot believe it. Hey, not as dumb as I thought you were.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is no.
What? Alright, listen, go. Oh, hey, can you open your phone? I realize you're locked together and I took a selfie, so I need to like access it. And I need to boot to my phone, so you know, I don't want to happen.
Oh, okay, no problem. Boy, you sure you don't want to go through my nudes?
Yeah, so I need to go back to the bathroom because that's what we do. We do everything in the bathroom.
Oh my gosh, look at your lifesaver.
I know, crafty. I know, we're just looking for the
I'm gonna see them in here.
What do you mean?
Wait. I delete the boy and delete all my names them?
But that's a good thing.
No. My names them are the bomb, okay? You're not supposed to delete them, you're supposed to save them forever.
Okay, noted that. This is a good thing. No, remember you're a slave to him all this time. The shackles have now been broken. Good.
A
So
true.
go dump him now.
A true.
Go dump
A
him
true.
now. Go!
You see those girls right there? Yeah, you see them? You see them? Alright. Well, I'm such a nice person. I'm going to just interest them in a bottle of water. Okay? Just let's. Hey, hello ladies. Wow, it's so great. I was actually standing all over there and mine are interested in a nice refreshing bottle of water. I was just helping you guys,
You're a slut and you're a whore and I don't want you anymore. I hope your drops off and you find out that you have a baby girl.
What did I do?
Boy, some girl gets exposed. Let me see this out.
Uh-oh.
All them things I want to know about them. Oh. I did it.
I get it. Which girl that?
You stupid.
Oh, she clearly know the spread eagle.
Look on it. Look on it.
These girls clearly don't know about iCloud.
I'm gonna use the boy put up on the face.
Hell hath no fairy like a bitch exposed.
Oh, them not call me back yet.
Wait, what time now?
5 o'clock. Them supposed at them time them supposed to start call you.
But you know, Jamaican stay. Them say 5 o'clock and that means 5:15.
Suppose me not get it, yo. Suppose them not pick me.
I just say no. Don't worry about it, Anthony. Things will work out.
But I know them not call me. Them not call me. When if them email me. I don't understand, yo. What kind of foolishness is this? Oh, am I not good enough or something?
Don't say that. Don't listen to her.
Hello? Yes, man. Yeah, I'm on KFC. Yeah, I can get barbecue. I'm not on spicy. Alright, thanks.
Rough.
Not tell them, man. You know what? Screw them! I don't need them. I don't want them little idiot free trip to Dubai.
Yeah, you have other opportunities.
Yeah, I can go there somewhere, somehow.
Yeah.
You probably not get to go there again.
You probably get to go somewhere else, Patty.
Yeah. Hello, my name is Anthony. Yes, this is Anthony Tracey. Yes. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yes, that's great. I would love to be a part of your youth organization. Yeah. Oh, you love my video. Okay. Oh, so I should check my email right now? Ooh, is it my free trip to Dubai, baby? Pakistan?
That was the fastest I've ever blocked a number. And that's when I realized that success is never guaranteed. Opportunities may turn to misfortunes. However, the biggest failure in life is not trying. In a world that is constantly changing, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not trying. What have I gotten myself into?